Welcome everyone to today's class. Today we are here to learn fractions, their addition, their subtraction, whether they will be like fraction or unlike fraction, butterfly method of simplification, LCM method, like fraction method, and many other things. Let's start with. So first thing to take in mind that any number can be written as fraction. This is called the numerator. This line is called vinculum, and this is called denominator. So to make the child understand what a fraction is, you take a sheet of paper and tell them to make the fraction chart like that. If they understand this, in the long run, it will be very easy for you to teach them decimals and fractions and percentages, interlinking them. Like 1 is equivalent to 100%, or this is 1 of a number, full whole of the number. Half is equivalent to 50%. This you can see that is half. Similarly, 1 by 3 is 33.333%. Okay, 1 by 4 is 25%. So they can interlink each other, and they can also find the decimal notation of this number. This will be very, very easy for them to understand and interlink with them. So what they have to do, they have to take a piece of paper or a chart paper and draw their own fractionals model. It will help them to understand many things. So now this is a mixed number. Why mixed number? Because this is a natural number and this is the fractional part. That's how it is called a mixed number. So Egyptians were the first who invented fraction as early as this, and they hold the record. This is a fun fact. So mixed number is a combination of a natural number and a fractional part. That's how they are called the mixed fraction. Now, fraction is number of parts by total parts. Suppose every fraction has a numerator that equals the number of parts we have, and a denominator equaling the total number of parts in a whole. So how many parts it is being divided, that is being told by the denominator. So bar of a fraction, I tell you, is called the vinculum. Now adding fractions. So first we'll see the case of like fraction. So whenever we have a like fraction, then the numerator will be added to numerator and denominator will be written as it is. So the answer will be 5 by 5. Very easy. Okay. Now take the case, one more case. So here also numerator will be added to numerator, denominator will be as it is. So 12 by 7. Same holds if the sign is minus. Same holds. So it will be minus 4 by 7. Now the things arise when we have a different denominator. So there are different cases. Suppose like this. Okay. So you can see 3 can be easily converted into 15, and then we can make our expression, not expression, example, a like fraction. So we can convert this into like fraction. So 10 plus 1, 11 by 15. This is an easier method to do whenever the denominators are different. Try to make the denominator same by multiplying, because multiplication is easier. So by multiplying, change it into a like fraction and then solve it. So the case becomes very easy. Same things hold for minus as well. So we try to make the denominator same. 10 minus 1, 9 by 40, right? Now suppose the case is something that you cannot make the denominator same. So here what you do, you follow the butterfly method. I'll tell you what it is. So you go like this and you go like this. Okay, so see, it's little looks like a butterfly. So 2 times 3 plus 1 times 7, and down is also cross multiplied. So children find very easy to draw this, and it's fun for them to learn like this, drawing the butterfly. So 13 by 21. So instead of teaching just cross multiplication, make it fun for them by saying make a butterfly like this. And it will be so much fun for them to draw the butterfly at early age and learn fractions. So this method again can be used for subtraction as well, whenever the denominators are unlike fractions. Actually, we can also do by finding the LCM for this, like 3 by 4 plus 1 by 6. LCM of these number is 12, like 6 times 2, 2, and here 3, here 3. So 11 by 12. But nowadays fractions are arriving as early as grade 3 in exams. So better to teach butterfly method because LCM is exactly not introduced in grade 3 syllabus. Okay. So when we have subtraction, then it's also the same method. You can use the butterfly method here, or you can make the denominator same. So here 15 minus 7 times 7 times 3, 21. So 8 upon 21. Now, or either we can do the denominator same by cross multiplying. Whatever the child find easier to understand makes sense. Now, whenever we have multiplication, it's very easy. So we are going to multiply numerator and numerator together and denominator together. But there is one catch. If there is something which is cancelling, so better to cancel it here, like 0 and 0 cancelling. 14 times 2 is cancelling. Instead of multiplying here and then simplifying, first simplify, then multiply it. Okay. So let's go to butterfly method. It explains. See, it looks like a butterfly, very nicely drawn. So just one more example for clarifying. So this goes here, 30, this goes here. You can exactly simplify it first. So this makes easier to you. See, or here, see, whenever it is here, we can make the denominator same by converting into like fraction. This way it is more simpler. So 2 by 5 plus 4 by 7. So you can see butterfly 40 and 20 by 35. So 34 over 35. Try with children, they enjoy drawing butterfly. Now, whenever we have to divide a number by 5, like 72 divided by 5, always a pet question in exam in lower grades. So don't teach the child to divide it. Instead, tell them to double the number. So double of number 72 is 144 and put a decimal. Suppose 28 divided by 5, double the number and put a decimal. It works very well and children enjoy a lot. Okay. So you can try this with the children. And I request all of the children who are watching to put the answer in the comment box. Now, dividing by 9. So whenever we divide by 9, suppose 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 8, 1 divided by 9. And they ask you only the remainder. What is the remainder? Then without dividing, you can find it out. You can just cross it, make 9s and cross it. Casting out 9 method. See, so here remainder will be 0. So here, what is 2 by 9? X divided by 9, x is repeated, 0.2222. See, for 2-digit number, the same is true if you divide by 99. For 3-digit number, same divided by 999. So you must notice this facts and keep it in your diary, because that will save you a lot of time during the exam. So I mean, whenever x is divided by 9, means like 4 by 9, if you divide, it will be 0.4444. If you divide 67 by 99, 67 will be repeated like this. If you divide 989 by 999, it's very easy to remember. This is 0.989989. That's what I mean to say. So that will save a lot of time during your exams. Okay. So whenever you are dividing a decimal ending in 5, like 12, 3.5. So what you need to do, double the decimal and half the other number. So what you have to do, 12 into 3.5. So double the decimal and half the other number. So what we can think, sorry, we're not dividing, we're multiplying 12 into 3.5, suppose I have to do. So what I do, I make this half and make this double. Okay. So this becomes 7, this becomes 6. So like 14 times 4.5, I half this and I double this. See, I can get the answer mentally. So you can save lot of time by doing like this. And here I got the answer 42. Otherwise here you have to multiply, and multiplication will take times. So always try to simplify and see what the question is saying, and always focus on saving your time during the examination. So these questions for you now. So these ones I have already discussed. Yeah, dividing the fraction how we do, suppose a by b divided by c by d. So here concept of reciprocal arises. So whenever we have c by d, the reciprocal is d by c. So this becomes a by b times d by c. Whenever the division is converted into multiplication, we find the reciprocal of the second number and just multiply. That is very easy for children to understand if you teach this way. Okay. So comparison of fraction, very important topic for exams, like arranging in ascending order, descending order, and it can save a lot of time. See what children do, they just start converting into decimals. So they are going to divide this, 12 divided by 5 and 13 divided by 6, and then they are going to find the answer. I'm going to give you very shortcut methods for this. So first method is that you cross multiply. So 65 here and 72 here. Which is bigger? 72. So this side. Okay. Now another method is that look for the difference between numerator and denominator. 7, 13 minus 6, 7. So the number which is bigger will be bigger. Right? Very easy to understand. Nothing you have to use your pen and paper, and just by mere looking at the number you can see. Suppose 4 by 5 and here 9 by 10. So here which number is difference is same? See, 1 here and 1 here. So which number is bigger? This one is. So this one is will be bigger. Let's see some more examples. So which of the following fractions is greater? 4 by 5 and 2 by 7. 4 by 5 and 2 by 7. See here difference is different. So just cross multiply. 28 here and 10 here. So 28 will be bigger. So this will be bigger. Okay. Or either another method you all know, that is the conversion into decimals. Equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions is same fraction, like suppose I write 5 by 4. So if you multiply up and down by same number, you get equivalent fraction. Like 7 by 8, if I multiply it by 5 up and down, I get equivalent fraction. That is the concept of equivalent fractions. Now, this is the most important part I was telling, because you will not find in any book. The smallest, like ascending order, I have to arrange. So 1 by 16, 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. So you have all unit fraction. So when we have unit fraction, you don't have to see the smallest denominator will be the biggest one. Okay. Now, but when the, like here, this you can easily say when the denominator is 7, 7, 5, 3, 1, like that it will go. Now, but see the case when they are not different, then how will you do? So first case is like this, difference is same, what I'll telling you. Difference is same. So the largest number will be the largest. So if we arrange in ascending, descending order, so 8 by 9, 7 by 8, 6 by 7, 4 by 5, and then 3 by 4. This will be the case. Similarly, the smallest to largest, now you can arrange. Here the difference is 4, here the difference is 4, 4, 4, 4. All where the difference is 4. So what are you going to do? So largest will be the largest number and the smallest will be the smallest number. So 59 by 63, then 37 by 41, then 29 by 33, 19 by 23, and then 13 by 17. Like this you can arrange. So here also you can use, but 7, 3, 4, 4, 4. See, same method apply, and you can try this question and put the answer in the comment box. Now, I already teach you the cross multiplication rule, hold for two numbers. Suppose difference is not same, then even you have to arrange in ascending or descending orders. You can take two numbers and compare using cross multiplication rule. So you can just practice, and then we'll do percentages in next class. Take care. Bye. Have a good day. Thank you.